The Father looks on me and sees not what I was or am. He views the righteousness of Christ and not my cursed sin. The Father looks and pities me. He knows that I am dust. He treats me not as I deserve, but as though I were just. The Father looks on me and gives a loaf and not a stone. He showers me with perfect gifts, for all my needs are known. The Father looks on me with love, a child he's welcomed home. He found an orphan, poor and soiled, yet claimed me as his own. The Father looks for me with hope, for me his wayward son. I stand afar, detained by shame. He cries for joy and runs. The Father looks on me and smiles, for it is Christ he sees. This is my own beloved Son, in whom I am well pleased. This is my own